Hi everybody, welcome back. In this video, I'll walk you through the steps on how can you download Minecraft skin and switch to them. In order to download Minecraft skin and to switch them, you want to make sure to watch this video right till the end. Before we start with the procedure, make sure you're using the official version of the game only. So there are many community-based websites where you could get thousands of Minecraft skin for free. In this guide, the website will focus on Syndex homepage and click on any of the skin you like. You can try using this search option as well to look for the specific character or a theme. Once you have selected a skin, a new page with a multiple option to export the skin will open up. What you want to do next is click on the download button in the right menu. It will download a PNG file to your computer. You will find it in your download folder. So after which you could go ahead and explore the options. If you've actually downloaded it, what you need to do is you need to upload and select the skin. So click on the browse button to select the skin file you downloaded. Then navigate to the skin file and select it. Click either save or save and use to save the skin and activate it. You could also switch between skin by hovering over them, skin menu and clicking the use button. After which you can launch the Minecraft game. Then press F5 or FN+5 on your keyboard to see your character from a front and back. Confirm your new skin is activated. So that is how it works. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.